Almost feels like the middle of nowhere. And there's a waterfalls. Very rural experience. Welcome to my channel, Life in the Matrix. We're just going to do a lunch stop here before we get to subicbay here in the Philippines. And this will obviously be a very short video to just show it's not a huge waterfalls or something, it's just a small picnic area. I don't know what the rating is, but we're just going to go check it out. There's a little forest trail, maybe 5 minutes walk. And we should be having some lunch and then after that head to the beach. So Nerissa, where are we now?
El Caballo Falls.
El Caballo Falls. Up a little hill we go on a rocky path. And this gentleman is our guide. Has offered to carry our lunch, which is vegetarian noodles. Pancit. Well, there's a warning out there. Watch out for wild boars, apparently, and snakes. I'll be happy if I see one. I don't rate my chances of spotting one very high at this time. I'll be lucky if I do spot one. Lots of bamboos around here. Very promising. Cobras like to hide in bamboo groves. I can hear water. It's just off the beaten path a little bit on the way to Subic. Not a huge diversion, just about 15 minutes. Not expecting anything spectacular. The reviews say it's nothing, just a good picnic spot. Ends up in a clearing. Following the guide in. He's just checking to see if we're just behind him or not. Down the steps. There's some loose rocks. That's the waterfalls itself. No great checks, but a lovely spot. It's a mountain spring. I like it. Indiana Jones style. Across this rickety bridge. A very rough picnic area. But good thing is, there's nobody here, just us. And this clear mountain spring. What do you think of the waterfalls? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Kapagod.
What does that mean? The kids are a little shy, but they like it. It's all very clear waters. Rice, how's the water? Cold. Because it comes straight from the mountain. It's a mountain-fed spring. It's nice and cold. Ate rice. Just the sound of nature. No people, just us. Small family. Rushing water. Beautiful place. And the water is cold, the kids have already told me. And they'd rather swim in the sea where we're going next. So that'll be next part. I'll do a separate video for that. And I'll end the video here. Thank you for joining me. This lovely little spot here. Please like this video. Lovely spot. Worth the like. Please share this on any and all of your social media platforms, and it helps the channel grow, my channel grow, and I can bring you all these interesting places. I'm in the Philippines for the next week or so, and we'll bring you lots of things from here. I'll try anyway. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider that, and also check out my previous videos. I'll see you on the other side. Ciao for now.